Today in my class, what we're going to say is we are going to see the online whiteboard, how to use it, and what are the applications. So for that, I'll be using the browser and using the Google window, I'll be typing whiteboard Fox. So this particular whiteboard, I'm choosing it and I'm clicking the same over here to get it open. So once it is open, this is the main screen of the Whiteboard Fox, the whiteboard which I'm going to use it. As you can see, is start drawing. I'm going to click it. Where it will be asking who can edit this whiteboard. Any participant whom I'm sure did he or she can edit it or only myself. Now creating as any participant, creating a new whiteboard for my working purpose. Once I click create whiteboard, see the whiteboard is created with the pop-up options here. So left side I can see undo, redo, draw. I have a pen, a pencil representation which can be used with 7 different colors. I have an eraser. I have a move option. I have options. Sitting with zoom in, zoom out. I can add a text. I can add a picture. I can share this whiteboard virtually to any of my students. I can copy all this whiteboard. I can do a snapshot. I can use a ruler. Finally, once everything is done, I can replay it. I come each option one by one. The final option is here is clear, which will clear the entire white space. So I'll be choosing a pencil. Uh, so I can do a corrections by using eraser. Again, I can redraw using my pencil. I can use this. So in that option, you always see draw, erase, and move what it did. Now, often we have it called zoom in. See, my screen is zoomed in, which means my whiteboard is zoomed in. And I can pick zoom out to get back to my normal position. I can use a zoom out so to make my screen somewhat larger to edit or create something. So to get my original thing, I can go for a zoom. Zoom in, zoom out option is there. I have option add text. Once you click it, you can see the pop-up is there, and you can type the text what you want to get it represented. I typed welcome. The color chosen by the text is last color which is available in your pencil which you chosen. So I can add and I can drag and drop anywhere wherever I want it. So there is a best option there. After using your, I added my text and I can drag and drop my text by using add text. Add picture. There is an option there. I can insert images also. So it giving the guidelines what is the maximum range of pictures and what type it will accept all those. So once those things is clear, immediately if you click it OK, then it will take you to the picture wherever you want to make it. I want to make my picture to be already chosen one. I'll checking this penguins. Just a click, and they open. Just wait. Uploading picture option. You can see the picture is getting uploaded. So now you can see my picture is getting uploaded where it is not disturbing my screen. So my VAT Chennai and the line and the welcome, whatever I created, the picture is not disturbing. I can drag and I can show you. It is not disturbing. So there is a beauty there. I can resize it and I can keep it wherever I want. So this is the option of your picture. Then I have a link called share. This is, it is written very clearly, let other people view the whiteboard. So we'll see what will happen once I click for a share. I have a pop-up. It is asking me to copy this link just created for my whiteboard. Copied it. I clicked OK. I have my Gmail open. I need to send a mail to my students stating to use these things. We'll see how it works. I'm putting my mail ID as a student because none of my students is not available in online now. Just for a demo purpose, I'm using it mine. I'll ask my students to use the link which I am created. So now I sent a mail to my student. So now I am considering myself as my student. I received a mail from my professor. Also instructed me kindly find the link for my class. Okay, I need to click what he sent, whether the board is already created or we need to do anything, any instructions given. As a student, I have to once clicked, I came to know whether what my professor is expecting me to do. Oh, we created a board there, which I can see. See, this is the board which created by the professor. So as a student, I am viewing it. I find something to be get it erased as a student. So this part is erased in the student window. I can come back to my original window. You can see that is also get it erased. So for your clear identification, I will do one thing. I ask my student, so what is this 1 plus 2? We'll see what will happen. So it got reflected to my student window. This is my student window. Now he's answering. So see that whatever addition is doing, it is getting reflected to my screen door. That window is my student window. That may be any browser, any device. It won't be my device at all. Only for demo purpose, I'm using it as showing it in my uh, laptop which I'm using. Uh, idea is that that link is shared. Anybody can do any corrections and any additions. That is the idea I just want to show by using this share option. We have another option called copy all. We'll see what will happen. This is again my window there. I'm not touching my student window. Copy all. So it will give you a duplicate copy of the board which you created with different whiteboard number. This is not the same 511479412796272. You can see the board number is changed, and whatever the corrections you made it in the copy, you can see it now. This is my board. I'm coming back to my board. That is a this board is a copy board. Okay, the copy board, whatever the changes you do it, it won't reflect it on my own original board. So once it is not reflected here, you can see my student window. It won't reflect it there also. So copy board is for other purpose. I can make a duplicate of the same subject. I can insert some other things which is really needed to the other group of people, and I can do this. I can share this link to those people. Whatever they edit it, it will reflect only to the screen. So you have option of creating the same work as a multiple copies with multiple groups. That is the beauty of using copy. So I came back to my screen again. So I'm going for a snapshot. If I click, you can see a new tab is opened in the browser itself where it collected all the information. Make it as a tab. So again, if I right click, I have option to open it in a new tab, save, copy it and search. All the options are available. Again, I'm coming back to my screen, clicking the option of options. I can see a ruler. The difference here of the word I created here, I'm using a ruler. I can show it to you. You can see high. I cannot keep a I mean, a small I. I cannot create it. You can see I can create a dot, but you can create a circle. Comes as a line only. And if you see H and I, all were there in the format of lines only. This is not an exact word. Or you can very well see. It's not like getting bend all those things. So the ruler is for this purpose. Finally, you have a replay. If I click again a replay, that will go into a new tab option where I can see what are the things created in my whiteboard with my whiteboard number. But one thing is that it will come here. I can do a zoom in option, zoom out option, move. See, I can move this. Okay, I can move. I can share again. Once again, I can share this. I can take a snapshot. But the thing is that I can't edit it. This is the major difference between your replay and your copy. Copy will make a duplicate that will work as a separate board. Replay is also will show you what are the things you created, but you cannot do any edit option. So be clear with us. I'll come back again to my board and I have a final option called clear. Once ask me, are you sure you want to clear the whiteboard? Yes. If I told okay. Now we'll see what is this. This is my student. See, it is reflected there. Nothing is available. But if you go and see the replay screen, I will refresh here after my entire clear. Once it's refreshed also, you can see nothing is available. But snapshot it is there because as you know it very well it will be there. Copy, see, nothing is happening. This is my copy image. This is the option here, copy, the option there. So I can keep this copy. So this is my copy window, this is my snapshot window, this is my replay window, and this is my original window, and this is my student window. My window and my student window got entire thing cleared, and my replay is also cleared. But snapshot, as you know it very well, it won't get affected. Yeah, and copy window is also not affected. You can see it very well. I can move it and show it. See, nothing happens. Whatever I created is there. So this is the option of copy. So by this, you can do anything. Create a project and you can represent them. You can, in a teacher point of view, you can do any innovative things through this online normal createboard. Or as a parent, you can use this as a createboard. Sorry, it is in ruler. So you can draw and you can play anything with your kids. So the board is for multiple. Thank you. Thanks for watching.